According to GSMArena.com, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is one of the rare phones to cross 1 million sales in record time. But it's not just about sales, it's about why people are buying it. In a world where companies are fighting to cram in the biggest and most advanced camera lenses, Xiaomi took a different path. They didn't just upgrade the lens, they turned it into a second, fully functional display. A bold, almost futuristic move that's now changing how we think about smartphones. The 17 Pro Max feels deliberate. It measures roughly 163 by 77.6 millimeters, weighing around 219 grams. Solid, premium, unmistakably flagship. The frame is a smooth metal alloy. The back glass flows gently into the new dynamic back display. Up front, it's a bright LTPO AMOLED display. But the story, the soul, is on the back. Xiaomi wanted the device to be beautiful from every angle and functional from both. This is the dynamic back display, or as Xiaomi calls it, the magic back screen. It's a 2.9-inch OLED panel, refreshes up to 120 Hz, and is fully touch-enabled. That's right, a real screen with real capabilities built directly into the camera housing. And according to recent coverage from GSMArena, this second display isn't just a novelty. It's one of the reasons users are calling the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max their favorite phone of 2025. So what can this second display actually do? Quite a lot actually. Turn the phone around and the back screen becomes a live camera viewfinder, letting you use the powerful rear lenses for perfect selfies or vlogging. Display the time, weather, calendar, and battery life all at a glance. Check messages, reject or accept calls, all without waking your main screen. Pause, skip, or change tracks while your phone lies face down. Use mini apps like timers, step counters, and small reminders right from the back. Check flight details, delivery tracking, and ride-hailing updates instantly. Set wallpapers, signatures, or even animated pets to make the rear screen yours. Xiaomi is even experimenting with cases that turn the phone into a dual-screen handheld, the back display acting as a second interface. And beneath all that innovation, there's power. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, the first in its class to appear in a shipping phone. According to GSMArena's October 2025 AnTuTu rankings, the 17 Pro Max scored a jaw-dropping 3,507,568 points, ranking number 1 among all Android devices worldwide. The 17 Pro and 17 base models followed right behind, proving Xiaomi didn't just design, they dominated. With a 7,500 mAh battery, 100-watt wired charging, and 50-watt wireless, Xiaomi engineered the 17 Pro Max for endurance and speed. The company uses silicon-carbon battery chemistry and its own surge battery management chip to keep the system cool, efficient, and long-lasting. That's how they made two screens, a massive camera system, and high refresh displays coexist without killing battery life. Of course, a Xiaomi flagship means Leica-tuned optics. You get a triple 50-megapixel setup, a large main sensor, ultra-wide, and a 5x periscope telephoto. The camera shoots up to 8K video, and thanks to the back display, you can record cinematic clips while actually seeing yourself through the main camera. That's something even iPhone 17 Pro Max can't do. The market is already responding. Xiaomi has sold over 1 million units of the 17 series faster than any phone in its history. GSMArena's community polls call it a winner. Users love the innovation, the design, and the feeling that Xiaomi is pushing boundaries again. For once, the conversation isn't just about camera megapixels. It's about imagination, about giving people something new to interact with. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max doesn't just compete, it challenges the idea of what a smartphone should be. While others race to refine, Xiaomi dares to redefine. It's powerful, beautiful, and above all, bold. Whether this dual display concept becomes the future or remains an experiment, one thing is certain: Xiaomi has made the rest of the industry look twice.